In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can print an Excel sheet in one page in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see this is our page and this is our total page view. If you want to print it, you just need to enter Ctrl and P of your keyboard. You can see that this is the preview, but you will notice that this section is not showing the full page of our Excel file. For this, we just need to do one thing. You just need to go to the view option. You will see an option which is page break preview. Click there. Now you can see this is our printing option and this is the page 1. If we print in this time, that will print 4 pages or 7 pages like this, but we want to do it in one page. So you can see an page 1 option and you will see a blue line. Just go there and drag it to the last. You can see now this converted into page 1. If you want to do it for this row, you can also do it. Just go there and select this and drag it to last. And if you now click Ctrl P of your keyboard, you can see all the things appear in this one page. This is how you can easily print Excel sheet on one page. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.